So you might have seen the last video that we did on this G-Wagon, which was a stage 1 remap, some exhaust work and some pops and bangs on sports mode. However, today is actually a different G-Wagon, very identical, and it's having identical work. But this time, instead of pops and bangs, it's a bit more of a softer crackle map, which we like to call a Brabus crackle, because that's kind of what they come out with from the factory from Brabus. And then I'll insert a clip of what yesterday's G-Wagon sounds like. Versus what today's G-Wagon sounds like, so you can see the difference between the two crackle maps. And let me know what you think. Now finished. We're really happy with how the Brabus style crackles sound like. Yeah, we fine-tuned it and it's perfect now. So if you want Brabus style crackles on your G-Wagon, let us know. TuneX, give us a message. We can achieve the same thing